Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add friends on Facebook. So let's start. So the first thing you want to do is just open the Facebook app, and when you're gonna do it, let's go to home and let's just find some friends here, right? I don't know, this girl here. And right next to the name, under the name, you're gonna see add a friend. And this is how you can simply add a friend. Of course, I'm not going to add this girl here. I got no clue who it is. But this is how you can simply add a friends in Facebook. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.